Hey everybody, this is Gary Fong. One of the questions we get most often at my help desk is, will your products fit my flash? And so we used to always like to say one size fits all, but for that extra measure of comfort, I came up with this really cool fit and compatibility guide. The fit and compatibility guide is available at my website at garyfong.com. Simply click on the link and then you'll be guided to a PDF. Download and print that PDF and make sure that you don't turn any scaling on. Print it in actual size. And when you do, you'll also have a ruler on the sheet that will allow you to verify that it's in scale with your own ruler. Having done that, all you need to do now is take your flash head, put it right up against the fit and compatibility guide, and if it fits between the minimum and maximum sizes in the gray area, you'll know that it fits. Also, you'll be thrilled to know that my Lightsphere is compatible with the new cool round head flashes, like the ProFoto A1 or the Godox V1. Simply put your flash head up to the template, and if it fits, then my products will fit. Just another example of how we try to make your life easier at garyfong.com. Thanks for watching, and if you're on YouTube, please feel free to subscribe. Thanks.